Hey guys, welcome to Smart V. Today we made delicious donuts, chocolate covered ones and powdered sugared ones. These are so tasty, you guys definitely have to eat them. So go to the kitchen and let's start baking. So first we need a bowl of 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Then half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together nicely. Once they're nicely mixed, we'll add 2 wet ingredients which will make our batter. So now we need half cup buttermilk and 3 tablespoons of oil, and I've already added the oil in the buttermilk. So now we're going to add it into the dry ingredients. Now you're just going to slowly mix it together until it forms a dough. If you think it's a little too hard, make sure to add a little bit more of buttermilk. The dough should be like this, a little soft. Now you're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes. Sprinkle some flour. Then knead the dough for about 5 minutes on the floor. The flour is just to make the dough a little less sticky. After it's resting for 20 minutes, it's gonna take a big nap, am I right guys? So it's gonna need some flour to wake it up. So just knead it and make it really soft, nice and soft. And make sure it's just right for you to make your donuts. Mainly try to pick up all the flour that you put on. If that were donut dough, I would happily eat it. Not that it's not donut dough, it's just that I wish if it was sugar, I would definitely eat. So this is how your dough should look like so far. Sprinkle a little flour on the dough, then start rolling it into a nice big circle and make sure it's a little thick. Don't make it too thin to cut out our donuts. Just make it into a nice big circle. So we don't have an actual donut cutter. So we're just going to use a glass to make a big circle for the outside of the donut. Then we're going to use a small bottle lid to make the inside hole of our donut. Try and fit as many donuts as you can in the dough that you rolled out. Don't they look delicious? Yum, right? So just take out the little circle inside and the extra dough after you're done. Try and make sure to fit as many donuts as you can in the dough. You don't want to waste it. Besides, how often do you make donuts? There we go. Now you're just going to take the inside out in each of them. And they look like little rings. You're just going to pull off the excess dough. And voila. Perfect donuts. Delish. fry them in medium flame. Fry them until they're nice and big and round. So this is how they should look like. Nice and round. Delicious, aren't they? Can't wait to actually try them. Now we're just gonna let them fry for a few more minutes. So take a big bowl and add a lot of hot water. Then take a smaller bowl and add some chocolate chips in it. Then it'll melt pretty quickly for your topping frosting. So now just after your chocolate's melted, take a donut and dip it in that chocolate. Look at that chocolate. Then, yum. And do the same with the powdered sugar. Chocolate and powdered sugar donuts. Delish. Am I right? So now our delicious donuts are ready. The chocolate ones and the powdered sugar ones. That looks good, doesn't it? You guys, this is amazing. Just make sure not to eat too much because these are deep fried. But make sure to enjoy them, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!